Okay guys, we've had a major big blunder. Although I was able to put the second coat on the headlights and they've come out extremely well. Look at that, great result, crystal clear, like brand new. Tail light, crystal clear, like brand new. And the lens cover, again, crystal clear. Problem was I recorded the whole video and forgot to turn the mic on, so unless you can read hand language, didn't work out. So fortunately I've got another bad headlight, and so what I'll do is I'll go over that again and show you the second coat application and how it works out. I'll test this before I turn it off actually, just to make sure that you can hear me. But here we go again. Shit happens. Okay, before I start sanding this or complete the sanding, I better show you first how yellow and discoloured that headlight is. I've just started the sanding process, and once I finish I'll put the first coat on and then go through the second coat application. Okay, before I go on any more about this this training, I'd like to tell you a little bit about this product. This is the Motor Spray 2K Clear, and what's different about this 2K Clear is that it's only catalyzes when it's exposed to the atmosphere. It's moisture activated, so unlike other 2K Clears in the can where you have to crack the base of the can to mix the two components in the can, and then it gives you a life in the can of around about 24 hours, I believe. This, on the other hand, only catalyzes, the product's already mixed in the can, only catalyzes when it's exposed to the atmosphere. So you can use it, clean the nozzle, put it back on the shelf, and if you need to use it again in 6 months, 12 months, 18 months down the track, it's just a matter of pulling off the shelf, giving it a good shake, and you're good to go. And it'll work the same as it did the first day. That's the advantage of this. So if you've got a small job, you don't have to use the whole can in one hit. This is the perfect scenario for you. If you want to use a whole can in one hit, then you've got the option. You can either have this or you can have the other one where you crack the base. At the end of the day, they're both catalyzed 2-pack polyurethane clears. Okay, we're all ready to go. Like in the previous video, I applied the first coat. I'll do it again because of the bugger up with the microphone. I'll apply the first coat on thin, which gives it a good biting coat for the next coat to come on. So it's a good tack coat, and here we go. Make sure your nozzle's clear. I've shaken the crap out of the can as usual, and I'll apply a light coat. And that's basically all you need there. It's a little bit peely. That's not a problem. It's a little bit dry. That's okay, because once it starts to set, it'll flow out. And then the next coat that I apply will be a wet coat, and that's where you'll get your depth and gloss from. Okay, we've given it a good 10 minutes flash off. It's just a little bit tacky, which is what you want, because you want this to stick to that now, and you can actually really load it up now. It's going to hang in there, won't run. So again, just give it a quick squirt and check the spray pattern. Make sure nothing's blocked and hit it. And just remember, upside down, clean the nozzle. Well, that looks nice and clear. I'll show it to you in about 10 minutes. Okay, well, it's been about 10 minutes, and this is the end result. From a yellow discoloured headlight to a crystal clear, like a brand new headlight. And this should last 10, 15 years and give you some protection as well from stone chips. So there you have it. Now, if you found this video on how to do things with the aerosol paint, please like, subscribe, and share, and also hit that notification button too, so if I've got anything new, you'll be notified. Also, if you've got any questions, feel free to comment, and I'll do my best to get back to you and answer any of your questions or add it to the next video. Next videos I'll be doing is on the motor spray vinyl paints, the heat-proof paints, and the caliper paints. And just go through that with you and make sure that the next time you grab one off the shelf, you know exactly what to do with it and exactly how to use it, so there's no problems at all. And you'll be happy with the product. See you next time.